Let's introduce Leo, for example. Leo is a graduate student in information electronics who used to find learning Excel extremely challenging. His lack of hands-on experience and practical training always troubled him. He struggled with reports and data analysis, unable to complete tasks quickly and accurately. When he started taking our Excel course, he felt excited because our course was exactly what he was looking for. It emphasized practical applications and provided numerous real-world scenario exercises. Through our course, he learned how to solve practical problems using Excel, especially in Excel data analysis, how to handle data more efficiently, and even how to use ChatGPT to build VBA macros for automating difficult tasks. In just a few weeks' time, Leo transformed from a student struggling with Excel into an expert proficient in Excel skills. His report quality improved significantly, and he gained more recognition in the academic community. Most importantly, he no longer saw Excel as a challenge, but as a useful tool that helps him work more efficiently in his research. This is the power of our course, and we believe that with your dedication, you can achieve the same transformation as Leo did. Through our course, Excel will become your powerful tool, making your work and learning easier and more efficient. If you want to break free from Excel fears like Leo did, then you cannot miss this opportunity. As a token of appreciation for early participants and supporters of our course, we have specially designed a limited-time offer. You can access the entire course content at a discounted price. This includes not only the listed course content, but also all future updates and additions. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Take immediate action, join our Excel learning community, and embark on your learning journey. Just click the enrollment link below the video, fill in the necessary information, and you'll enjoy our special offer.